Hello everyone, my name is Swati Shalika and in this video we will discuss microbial analysis of water. Okay, first we will see the introduction and then I will tell you a little about coliform and other indicator organisms. What are they? So let's start with the introduction. The most effective way to check water supplies for fecal contamination is microbiological analysis, and a range of test methods designed for that purpose has been developed for the water industry. Okay, instead of carrying out separate tests for each of the potential pathogens, viruses or parasites that might be in the water, microbiologists test for indicator organisms that are always present when enteric pathogens and viruses are. Okay. Now, what are actually these indicator organisms? Okay. Coliform is a term used to denote a group of gram-negative bacteria that can ferment lactose with a production of gas within 48 hours at either 35 degrees Celsius or 44 degrees Celsius. These characteristics allow for easy isolation and detection and enumeration in the lab and are gold standard for microbial water testing. They are always present when enteric pathogens or viruses are detected in water testing. Okay. However, a high total coliform count doesn't necessarily mean fecal contamination and requires a second step to identify the fecal coliform from coliform found in the environment. Escherichia, Enterobacter, Klebsiella are the fecal coliforms, and Citrobacter and Serratia are found in plants and soil. The fecal coliforms, also known as thermotolerant coliforms, it can survive at temperature of 44 degrees Celsius and 44.5 degrees Celsius, which allows simple differentiation between the two types. The microbiologist will be looking for counts of fecal coliforms such as E. coli, whose only habitat is the intestine and whose life outside it is short-lived, is seen as the ideal indicator organisms. Its presence in a sample of drinking water means that the water is unsafe for human consumption. Okay. Now, the presence of fecal streptococci or enterococci is evidence of fecal contamination. Fecal streptococci tend to persist longer in the environment than thermotolerant or total coliforms and are highly resistant to dying. It is therefore possible to isolate fecal streptococci from water that contaminates, that contain few or no thermotolerant coliform. Okay, so this is all about indicator organism. So we have seen that it is impossible to test for every known pathogenic organisms and on routine basis. Okay, so indicator bacteria have been studied extensively. This detection and enumeration employs simpler and more economic tests that can be performed routinely. Okay, this is all about this session. I hope I made myself clear. Thank you.